Hello friends, this is Aftab and welcome to Easyway 15th HTML and CSS tutorial. Today we are gonna add some CSS in our link. Okay, and today I will discuss something special. Okay, which is pseudo class. Uh, so let's begin with adding some CSS in our link. At first, let's make some links. Okay, actually we need to make couple of links here, so let's do that. So you can see that, and here we will put nothing. Now let's copy this and paste it. Now as a link text, give something like link 1, link 2, link 3, link 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save it and let's check how it appears. Okay, so you can see that link 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's break it in multiple lines. You already know how to break into lines by using this break tag. Save it and let's see. Okay, now here it appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links. Okay, so we need to add classes. Class equal just link, give a and paste it here. Save it. Okay, nothing happens. Now we need to create our class in our CSS. So let's make a comment here, link class okay, so we successfully make our class here. Now add some property. Now you can see that by default here a link text is underlined. Okay, it is by default. All links by default is underlined. So I already discussed to you that there is a CSS property called text decoration, and we can set text decoration none if we already have a text with underline, then we can set that. So let's use that text decoration none. Save it and you can see that all the 5 links now not underlined. Okay, so let's add some color colon, this is white. Okay, font size I need to use 18px. It will look better now. Okay, this thing is enough, I think, for our link. Now I told you that I will discuss something about pseudo class. So let's tell you about something pseudo class. Pseudo class is actually we can use a pseudo elements which is preloaded in our HTML, which is predefined actually. So we can use that pseudo elements in our class, and by gathering these two, my class and the pseudo elements is totally we can call it pseudo class. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, so my link class is link, and I want to add a pseudo class called hover. So hover, actually whenever we need to add a pseudo class in our class, pseudo element actually, so we need to add a colon just beside our class. At the last of our class name, add a colon, then the pseudo element like hover. Hover is a pseudo element. Okay, actually it takes a property when hover, in the sense of when I hover my mouse over the over our link, and which link have this link class added to it. So when I actually if I add this hover element in our link class, so whenever I hover my mouse over these links, then it will take the property defined here. Okay, am I clear to you? I hope so. So let's do that. I want, when I hover my mouse over the links, the text color will change. Okay, so let's do that. Color hash ff00. This is red. Now let's see. You can see that when I hover my mouse over the link, the text color is changing. Actually I need to add a more property, font size colon 25px. Now you can see color also change, and text size is also gonna big. You can see that when I'm hover my mouse over there, the text is getting big and the color is also changed. Okay, so I added nothing, that's why the same page is opening in a new tab, because I set my target here blank, and href is nothing in the sense of the same page. Okay, so you can see that. Now I want to add a different pseudo element, or you can see that different pseudo class we need to create. Visited is a pseudo element which defines which links are visited. Okay, so I need to add a color which is green maybe. Okay, so I need to show those links which is already visited. Okay, so you can see that all the links visited now, so that's why it takes the visited color, and we can create a class like active. You can see that if I press my mouse over here, just hover your mouse over there and click and hold that, you can see the text color is now green. Okay, so this is something called active. Okay, so these are the colors, or actually not actually colors, these are the pseudo elements which we can use in our classes, and all the things we'll call pseudo class. So actually hover is the most important and most widely used by people. This is one the pseudo class we can use for our classes, not only for link but also for all our all the other things. Okay, I need to actually I will give you an example. uh, Thumbnail, for our thumbnail. So I need, when I hover my mouse over the image, this is how the thumbnail class is added here. So I need to make the opacity is 0.5. you can see that, see that when my hover my mouse over there, the opacity is 0.5 now, set to 0.5. So this way we can use all our pseudo classes. Okay, for all our classes we can use inside our HTML. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.